At the IDEF 2025 Defense Expo in Türkiye, state-owned defense manufacturer MKE introduced a new mobile air defense system designed to counter the rapidly evolving threat of unmanned aerial systems. Known as the TOLGA Defense Shield System, DSS, this innovation directly addresses the rising dangers posed by FPV drones, loitering munitions, and other low-cost aerial platforms in today's conflict zones. TOLGA stands out with its modular design mounted on a compact 4x4 all-terrain vehicle, offering military units a nimble and adaptable tool for drone defense. It combines both non-lethal disruption and kinetic destruction options, giving it the flexibility to respond across a range of combat scenarios, from escort missions to perimeter defense. The system relies on integrated radar tracking, signal jamming technologies, and a remotely operated weapon turret to counter aerial threats. The initial response is electronic, using jammers to interfere with drone control links or GPS navigation. If this fails to neutralize the threat, TOLGA escalates to active fire using precision-guided rounds. Multiple turret configurations are available, each tailored to different engagement ranges. Operators can choose between a 12.7mm machine gun or larger calibers such as 20mm, 35mm, and 40mm cannons. These variants allow for threat engagement from 300 meters up to 3,000 meters, ensuring TOLGA can effectively create a defensive bubble around the protected zone. One of TOLGA's defining traits is its autonomy and mobility. Housed within a commercial-style light utility vehicle, it can be rapidly deployed in urban or rugged terrains, where traditional air defense systems might struggle. The onboard command and control module enables both standalone operations and integration with wider network defense grids. As drone warfare becomes more decentralized and sophisticated, conventional forces face increasing pressure to adapt. Low-cost drones, often modified with explosive payloads and guided by AI or FPV systems, are now capable of bypassing legacy defense systems. TOLGA is MKE's answer to this problem, a lightweight, cost-effective, and rapidly deployable unit built for the complexity of modern combat. Its layered defense strategy allows for dynamic threat assessment. For example, if a slow-moving FPV drone enters the area, TOLGA will attempt jamming first. If that fails, its turret, optimized for the threat's range, will engage. This approach ensures energy efficiency, minimal ammunition use, and reduced collateral damage. Beyond combat zones, the TOLGA DSS is equally suited for infrastructure protection and convoy defense, making it a multipurpose platform for military and security applications. The modular layout allows rapid upgrades and adaptation depending on evolving battlefield needs. By showcasing TOLGA at IDEF 2025, Türkiye reinforces its ambition to become a key innovator in drone countermeasure systems. As global militaries seek scalable, mobile solutions to neutralize UAV threats, MKE's latest platform positions itself as a practical answer to the changing nature of aerial warfare.